This is our week 10, day 2 review, and it starts with finding the sum of 1/10 and 6/100. So I need to take 1/10 and turn it into a denominator with 100. So I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 10, and so I get 10/100 plus 6/100, and that gives me 16/100, which matches letter B. Number 2, what fraction is equivalent to 9/10? Well, if I multiply my top and my bottom by 10, 9 times 10 is 90, and 10 times 10 is 100, so I get 90/100, which is A. Number 3, what is 16/100 plus 14/100? Since they both have 100 for a denominator, I can just add them. 16 plus 10 is 30 over 100. And that's not one of my options shown, but I know it's not going to be 30/10 and it's not going to be 30,000ths. So I need to look here. I'm not going to keep my bottom the same, so let's double check. If I divide it by 10, it means I'm getting rid of those zeros, so I end up with 3/10, which matches A. Number 4, what fraction is equivalent to 10/100? Well, letter A is the same fraction, so I'm pretty sure they're not going to have me pick the same fraction. Letter B didn't change the numerator, but changed the denominator, so that can't be it. Letter C didn't change the denominator, but changed the numerator, so that doesn't work. So letter D, let's check. If I divide my top and bottom by 10, means I get rid of those zeros, I end up with 1/10. Number 5, add. So I need to change this fraction from 9/10. I need to multiply the top and the bottom both by 10. So 9/10 becomes 90/100 plus 8/100, and that gives me 98/100, which is C. And number 6, Sharon baked bread and placed them in boxes that could contain 9 loaves each. If she baked 1,119 loaves and could only ship full boxes, how many loaves would not be shipped? So I want the leftover or the remainder. So I am going to split up my loaves into the boxes. 9 can't go into 1, so 9 goes into 10 once. And I go through and bring down my 1, go through my steps. 9 goes into 11 once. Multiply, subtract, and bring down. 9 goes into 29 3 times, which is 27. So I have a remainder of 2, so 2 loaves would not be shipped. That is our week 10, day 2 review.